What if I told you that the biggest bird to ever exist once soared over New Zealand oceans? And millions of years later, we found this rock on a beach. And after thousands of hours of preparation, revealed this, probably our most exciting fossil find ever. So come prep it with us. All right, it's going really well. And just remember that this is all that we could see on the original find. After hundreds of hours and late nights, Carl's revealed more of this exciting fossil.
A glass rear window. 2 glass here.
Alright, fossil family, here we are at Mount Cass, or Glen Affric, or however people call it. It's down at these big Miocene cliffs here, as you can see to my right. The whole span of different ages. I think it's spanning from sort of the moa bones at 1 million years on the ground that you can find underneath the clay, as well as all the other stuff that you can find up there, about 20 million year old crabs. And this right here is something that we found last year. We brought it back to the beach, just to show you where we found it and what it looks like in context after a bit of work. So it took me a long time to work all here. This is the eye socket of the Pelagornis, the biggest bird in the world. It's missing its beak. This right here is a 6-meter wingspan bird, the biggest flight bird in the world. And this is probably the best preserved skull we've ever seen. You can see part of the face here. This is actually part of the lower jaw. And this is its eye socket and its head, and this is all the vertebrae coming down. And that's where she was found, just up there in those cliffs. That's all we could see there. And we found her. I started cleaning her up slowly, following that eye socket, figuring out that it was a eye socket. I hit up here, followed that, slowly showed the whole piece.
We've come home and handed this fossil over to our good friend and expert preparator, John Buchanan Brown, who sent us these progress shots along the way. He's done an incredible job and many hours himself of removing the matrix on the underside of this fossil, revealing more vertebrae, a couple of teensy broken teeth, but really showcasing every bone in this incredible fossil. John was actually there the day we found it as well, so that makes it extra special for the three of us involved to work together on this Pelagornis skull. To find this in New Zealand is incredible. New Zealand's Pelagornis, the biggest flying bird to ever exist. Every now and then, a special fossil comes along to remind us why we spend hours searching. And when we found this concretion on the beach, we knew it was something special. With wingspans of up to 6 meters, it is the largest flying bird ever to exist. These giants could travel enormous distances while barely flapping their wings. Just imagine staring up to see one of those soaring overhead. And this isn't the only piece of Pelagornis that we've found. Since this discovery, more pieces have been found around New Zealand. And we can't wait to share them with you. So make sure you've subscribed to our channel, like these videos, and you'll be the first to see the next one.